How to set auto answer on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Here, scroll down and tap on Touch. On the Touch Settings page, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Call Audio Routing. On the next screen, go to the last option, Auto Answer Calls. Then tap the toggle switch to turn on Auto Answer Calls. Auto Answer allows the device to automatically pick up incoming calls, enhancing hands-free communication. Once activated, a timer option appears below. This allows you to set the number of seconds the phone will wait before automatically answering the call. Change the timer to your preferred duration. The feature is now set up. Any incoming phone or FaceTime audio calls will be answered automatically after the specified time has passed. Following these steps, you can easily set auto answers on an iPhone.